Miss LaRue, I need to talk to you about your uncle.
You knew each other?
It is a small town.
Huh, I don't remember you from my childhood. You two were friends.
Oh, if I had been working here those days, you would remember me. Some folks here still reminisce about the mischief of 3 kids, especially stealing the yacht and sailing out to sea.
We just, borrowed it. If the Coast Guard had not meddled in our business, the yacht would have been back at the docks on time.
Der Stranger. Und, wo sind die Fiona? Hätte mein Moped, ja, das geht nicht mehr schön. Bei dem Key.
No can do. I need to straighten this key somewhere. I've bent it slightly. I won't start my scooter with it now.
Ich glaube, zurückbringen kann ich nicht mehr. Bis jetzt.
We need an alternative solution.
Eine Alternative. Oma. Wir klauen das Auto. Was hast denn du? Einen Strickski mit auf der Straße. Combination? Nein. Ich liebe ob ich aufmache, ja, aber für was kann er? Der Workshop. Der Plaza. Ja, der Maschine, der mit zum Workshop, oder? Sehen wir schon. Stefano. Eine Zange, warte mal. Die glaube ich da. Die wird bestimmt nicht auf.
Unused tools rust in no time. Maybe I should use them to cut something.
Ja gut, voll durch auf. Stefano, wie schaut denn aus?
Good morning, Mr. Collada.
Hello, do I know you?
Come on, Mr. Collada. It's me, Sylvie, Olivier LaRose's niece.
Oh, let me have a look at you. Sylvie, how you have grown!
And some of us haven't gotten a day older.
I can still remember you running down those streets all day long till the evening set in. And how Mr. Olivier would call you back home from his window, huh? He would often look for you all over town, starting from my store.
Uncle isn't home.
Yes, he stopped visiting me for a game of chess.
When did you last see him?
2 or 3 days ago, we played chess. His thoughts seemed to wander.
I can't believe he forgot to leave a message.
2 days ago, in the evening, I saw him leave the house. He looked agitated. He nodded towards me, got into the car, and drove off.
Where to?
I have no idea, but he looked as if he had just discovered something.
Aber Martha, was mich interessiert hat, ob du die Key reparieren kannst.
Can you repair this key for me, Mr. Collada?
Oh, with pleasure, my child.
I have this key, but it's bent and doesn't work. Can you fix it?
Show it to me. What the heck did you do to it?
I was trying to open a bottle.
It will take a few minutes. In the meantime, you might want to visit my brother at the docks.
Your brother? I'm not sure if I can find him.
You will, no worries. And mind you, he is forgetful. Just pass him the message. This evening, no.
This evening, no. And that's it?
Yep.
This evening, yes?
No. This evening, no.
Das bedeutet, ich bringe dem blöden Bruder einen Brief oder was?
Where could he have gone?
Try Gozo, for instance?
Will you help me?
Oh, of course. As long as I do not have to move from here. I need to see to my workshop, you know.
If you happen to bump into something that could...
I will let you know ASAP. And I ask the same of you.
Yeah, I am so worried that something bad happened to him.
Well, perhaps he discovered something new again, huh? And is digging in the soil, oblivious of the world around him.
Hopefully. Now, all rests on my shoulders.
You mean your uncle's archives?
Yes, his flat is one big museum. I'm not sure if I can leave it unattended.
But you know this is a peaceful area. Just in case, my wife can visit a flat from time to time to air the rooms a little bit.
Thank you. Do you know James Anderson?
He a singer?
No, he's a linguist. He has recently collaborated with my uncle.
He lived here? Was he young? Old?
I have no idea.
I think I saw some young gentleman here once or twice lately, but I have no information about him. I guess he lives in the vicinity.
I'll be going now. Guess I'll just walk around like in the old days.
The walls stand as they used to, but the people are different.
Hey, de motor is gleich mir jetzt. Sonst quatschen wir tot. Ich mach immer zum Plaza. Bleib nicht zu China.
Enjoy the silence. I really love the siesta time.
Ja, dort beim Plaza. Da sitzt so wieder Depp, gell? Dort der Eingang. Backstreet. Geh mit durch. Ja, Chefin, renn mal. Und Opa, wie schaut denn aus?
Excuse me, do you happen to know Professor LaRue?
Why, of course. We all know one another very well here. Though, frankly speaking, I haven't seen him for 2 days.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Hey, hold on. Your voice sounds familiar, but I don't know why.
I hope you have some good memories about it.
A girl hidden inside St. John's Church.
Again, the shadowy past is upon me.
I told her she couldn't stay overnight, because at night, the knights sleeping under the tiles wake up from their dreams. And she answered, yeah, that's the problem.
Quite a memory you have, sir.
Such events are hard to forget. You hid in the chapel where the Caravaggio hangs.
St. John the Baptist's execution.
Did you know that Caravaggio was a member of the order?
Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine.
The great master Elaf de Wignacourt was delighted when the artist painted his portrait.
I would have been pleased myself.
Caravaggio hoped he could win his pardon in a murder case. Unfortunately, he misbehaved again and was expelled from Malta.
What a restless soul.
And your name is... wait a sec. Ferrier?
Nope.
Yes, not Ferrier. It's Duval.
My name is LaRue.
Yes, just like the professor, of course. I remember I walked you back to him.
That is correct.
So, what about the professor? Why were you asking about him?
He's my uncle. He's not home and hasn't left me a message.
I'm sure he'll turn up.
I hope so too.
Please come back later. I may have news for you.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Der mich schleicher. Bevor er mich durchquatscht. Ich glaub, der wollte mich auflöten. Da mal Schuhe. Plaza. Plaza. Eingang. Und die Schuhe. Er wird auch witzig kosten. Ich weiß gar nicht mehr. Aber vielleicht sollte ich, warte mal. Zwischendrin mal speichern. Man weiß ja nie.
I loved my school days. Apart from brief moments of studying, we had so much fun here.
Da haben sie einen gestohlenen Golfschuh. Mach ich mit um. Ich hab einen Schweinegalopp. Entry Phone. Leite mal.
Why would I bother the dwellers? Why would I bother the dwellers? Why would I bother the dwellers?
Ja gut, Bombe überzeugt. Da geht nix. Ja, dann gehen wir heute zu den Backstreet Boys. Hinti doch.
These old walls need some refreshing.
Der Marina Platz.
I used to sit around here for hours on end with my mates, and we were never bored.
So, da suche ich doch den Brüdern vom Stefano, oder? Wo ist denn das da? Ein Kescher? Glaube ich. Einen Kescher brauchst du, wenn du mal du bist.
A whale could squeeze through this rose.
Schön, wenn die quatschen. Old Newspaper brauch ich ja. Du warst wischen. Wenn du mir aufs Klo musst.
An old paper. Good wrapping material.
Ballert der Kescher.
A whale could squeeze through this rose.
Combination? Nein.
An old paper. Good wrapping material.
Und das Katzal mit der Fange. Ja gut, mir gibt er nicht. Sei es mit unten.
Holidays at the seaside. Only hunger would drag us away from this place.
Da ist der Papagei. Der Tore. Ja, nicht der Bruder.
Ideal weather for sailing.
Wer quatscht denn da? Und Tore ohne Socke, wie schaut denn aus?
Nice weather for sailing, huh?
Couldn't be any better. €5 per hour.
Which boat's yours?
Which one would you like?
Fast, swift, and cheap.
The cheapest are the ones at the bottom of the sea.
We could even pay you for those.
Well then, another time perhaps.
You see, Bird Brain, you scare away my customers. I won't earn enough to have dinner. I'll have to cook you.
This evening. No.
See ya.
Uncle's Leather. Schlaftabletten. Du sollst mir die Nachricht. Oder meine
Sleep
Gim.
with us for just €5.
5 Euro ist wieder bettelt. Kumpel, warte mal. Ich habe gefragt, behauptet ihr was wissen. Stefano, die Nachricht. So meine wird das nix sein.
Can I borrow these pliers?
What is on your mind again?
Nothing much, really.
Sure, but don't forget to return them, huh?
I'll be going now. Guess I'll just walk around like in the old days.
The walls stand as they used to, but the people are different. Do not forget to put the pliers back where they belong. They may come in handy.
Ja, Mutter, so deppert bin ich ja nicht. Aber die Nachricht hat er mir nicht gegeben, oder? Uncle's Leather. Schlaftabletten. Cut Wire. Aber ansonsten geht doch nichts, das ganze Inventar ist voll. Ja gut, ich laufe
Better
noch
not
mit
take those pliers with me. I might lose them on the way.
Achso, die muss ich da lassen. Ich glaube, der vertraut mir nicht. Hey, Brother. Wir müssen noch mal plaudern. Das ist eine mündliche Nachricht. Kann auch sein.
Can I enter the pier?
After you have paid the admission, yes.
Well, I was hoping I could at least have a look at the boats for free.
Lasciati ogni speranza voi che entrate.
What a big mouth.
This is all Professor Lambrusco's fault.
This evening, no.
What's up, miss? You feel sorry for this miserable bunch of feathers sticking out of the bird's backside?
Mr. Carlotta asked me to pass you this message. This evening, no.
What does he know? I won't have him interfere. I'll make grumbling bird soup.
Why don't you fry some fish or something?
Do you know James Anderson?
Anderson? The one from the Coast Guards?
No, he's a linguist.
Can't be. His choice of words is poor, knows no more than a handful of swear words. Want to know which ones?
No, spare me the pleasure. Have you seen Professor LaRue recently?
The one that digs in the earth?
Yes, the archaeologist?
No, not recently.
Guess he dug himself 6 feet under.
I'm sorry?
Rest in peace. Amen.
Don't mock other people's misery, or else you might have your own to worry about.
What? One cannot even say anything these days?
Today, I don't feel like sailing your boat.
Some other time, maybe. Please return when you feel like it.
Ja, pass auf, die Nummer mit der Nachricht.
Ideal weather for sailing.
Warte mal, Fisch. Krieg ich den?
A whale could squeeze through this rose.
Natürlich nicht.
You will sink with us for just €5.
This won't work.
Don't work.
Trial and error method, they say. Say something, little parrot.
Scary fish.
Pass auf, wer mit dem Fisch? Der schwimmt da drin rum.
Do you know James Anderson?
Who's that? Who's that?
A linguist.
Knows just 3 languages? Hardly a linguist.
Do you know where he lives?
Fetch me fish. Fetch me fish.
Will you give me his address?
Give me fish. Give me fish.
See you later, parrot.
Come back for a chit-chat one day.
Aber bumm, die Nachricht. Die fehlt mir, gell? Seid Maschine mit rein. Das ist mit der Öle, der ist voll schön. Vielleicht hat er was hinterlassen. Sein Stecker schön.
I'd better put it back in its place. The old guy that left it might want to reclaim it.
Pass auf, sein Stecker oben.
I won't reach it. I might
Und die
try
Gießkanne
climbing
rein,
into
ja?
this flower bed, but I have my reputation to worry about.
Hey, da geht schon.
I'd better put it back in its place. The old guy that left it might want to reclaim it.
Kombinieren kann nichts, gell? Also Stefano, wer weckt nicht einmal ein, die Worte? Mein Key, wie schaut denn aus da?
How's my key?
Ah, fixed. Good as new.
Splendid. How much?
Forget it. It would be less than €1.
Here's the right pay for a professional job.
Thanks.
Keep the change.
You are generous indeed. Thank you, miss.
I've been to the docks.
Well, how do you like it these days, huh?
It's cool. But, this brother of yours, he's a true weirdo. He tries to hunt down his own parrot.
He just says so. The old sea wolf needs to grumble.
Bye, and, please keep an eye on your brother and his parrot.
Don't you worry. He's emotionally attached to her.
Ja, bitte, hat mein Keys wieder neu, gell? Die Nachricht habe ich trotzdem nicht. Das bedeutet, was du jetzt?